What's the best way to get rid of ladybugs in the home? I don't want to spray them if I don't have to. So Walter, what do you think about that? So, because they're going to come in the home, but they don't want to spray, which you shouldn't, right? You shouldn't have to spray.
You shouldn't have to spray, and I can just tell you what I do.
Okay.
I actually have a little shop vac, and I actually just vacuum them up, and then I take them outside and I just throw them out in there and let them keep going because they're beneficial.
They're beneficial.
I just don't want to kill them. I don't want to kill them at all.
They are friends in the garden, without a doubt.
I mean, they take care of a lot of problems for us.
All right, Mr. Tom, anything to add to that?
Well, I just pick them. I just take my little fingers, go, open the back door, and go, and they'll land on their feet. And like Walter said, they are a beneficial plant, especially if been plagued with aphids, stuff like that. That's their natural food.
Right.
So just tolerate them.
Yeah, the ladybugs, you know, of course in the wintertime, they're like us. They want to go where it's warm.
Yes, and they are attracted to white. So you always find them in
windowsills
that are white. But if they just didn't want them in there at all, probably some type of permethrin type product at the base of the entry points or whatever, I guess.
If you just want to seal up cracks and crevices, I mean, that could be something you can do as well. But again, they are friends in the garden. Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.